All right, 3, 2, 1.
What's up, guys? It's Charles Cerrito, and we're back at it again with another episode of, I think we're gonna call it, the Factory Academy. And what I've got in my hand right now is the new Tomei X-Prim titanium exhaust for the Ford Mustang EcoBoost. And I just really want to say that Tomei has gone over the top with their packaging, and every pipe that comes with this kit is wrapped just like this with crazy amounts of bubble wrap, and it's like there's bubble wrap inside, and the packaging on the overall exhaust system looks fantastic. And today we're here with Devin Christensen, where we'll be modifying one of the pipes into a 3-inch slip joint over my custom full race downpipe. Guys, it's Charles Cerrito here. We're at the Factory Academy, finally installing my Tomei single exit titanium X-Prim exhaust on my 2016 Ford Mustang EcoBoost. Currently, it's equipped with the Full Race Motorsports race system exhaust, and a big benefit of the Tomei, it weighs 35 pounds less, and it's a single exit, giving it a unique look and a unique sound. Let's get started. We're fortunate enough to have a twin post lift, but if you absolutely have to, it's okay to do it on the ground, but it's gonna always be safest to do on a twin post. So let's get the car up in the air. Just for a note, guys, we want to pick our Mustang up here on these frame rails, and you can see the notches right here. Right here. On our front arm, we're going to want it as straight as possible. Well, you see this pinch weld right here? You're going to want to pick your Mustang up right here. Just to point out the obvious here, this is our full race type exhaust, meaning that we have a center muffler here, which is a 1 to 2 system. So you've got an inlet, and you've got 2 outlets here. And with the Tomei, we only have 1 single exit. All right, guys, we're gonna start by removing the exhaust hangers right here on the subframe. And replace the bolt so you don't lose it. Pull it straight back and straight forward. I'm going to repeat the exact same process that I just did to the driver's side to remove the rear section. And you're going to want to remove these rear hangers as we're going to reuse them. If you guys got a screw jack handy, you might want to put it under the center section so when you slide it back, there's something to support it. We're going to carefully remove this clamp right here that holds this slip joint. Now that I know that the pressure is loose, I'm going to carefully pull back on the center section, making sure I don't drop it. And if you have a friend, it's probably best if he holds the center section while you pull back.
There you go. Perfect.
We've got the full race center section here. This is our 2-to-1 inlet and outlet. It is pretty darn heavy, and after picking up the Tomei center section after we just got done shooting it, it feels like this is 100 pounds heavier than compared to the Tomei's 15-pound total weight of the exhaust system. So the center section probably weighs only 2 pounds at most. So just to make a note here, guys, I've got a full race Pro Stock downpipe, meaning that it is a 3-inch coupler. It does not reduce down to the 2 1/4 coupler like most downpipes do. So what does that mean? That means that we had to make a custom adapter to the Tomei exhaust, and hopefully we'll put that into mass production for people that are looking for the exhaust that have the same downpipe that I do. But if you do have a stock downpipe, no need to worry, as Tomei does include a 2 1/4 adapter to the 3-inch exhaust. Wow, what an incredible difference this Tomei center section is. It literally weighs absolutely nothing. I'm holding this with my fingertips so I don't touch the center section to make sure I don't put any fingerprints. And if you do put some fingerprints on it before installing it, just wipe it down with some brake cleaner and they'll be nice and shiny. If you look down here, you've got some really beautiful hand welds. But if we look just a little more up, you can see these amazing robotic welds that Tomei has put on these pie cuts right here. And on this side right here, this is going to be the mating side of the rear section of the exhaust. This is the male slip fit part. So we do have a stopper right here. Again, beautiful hand welds. Just beautiful TIG welds all around this pipe. Now let's go over the muffler section. Here's our muffler section. I've gone ahead and put the elbow section on the muffler to hold a little easier. But again, you can see these beautiful pie cuts that Tomei has done, and they've gone ahead and robotically welded them as well. So in the front, we do have a female slip fit joint, and we have a slip fit in the muffler, and we've got two compression clamps holding it, and for extra security, we've got springs. To the rear section of the muffler, remember this is going to be your heaviest part of the whole system, and again, it weighs almost nothing. And we've got some hand welds on the back here, but again, we've got another pie cut on the tip, robotically welded, and an absolute look. Take a look at this, guys. We've got this beautiful burnt titanium X-Prime tie tip. Now let's get this on the car because I cannot wait to hear what this sounds like. So check this out, guys. We just made this the other day. This is our Tomei 3-inch coupler that we designed. So we've got our 3-inch slip in the front that's going to go over our Full Race Motorsports 3-inch downpipe. And on the back, we have an expanded 3-inch coupler that's going to allow the Tomei midsection to slide right in. We'll go and take the adapter, slide it right on in, fits absolutely flawlessly. Go ahead and tighten my clamp. Make sure to rotate the clamp up for low clearance cars so the bolt doesn't hit the ground. And now that we've got our adapter on, don't forget to put on your clamp or you're gonna have to take the whole section off again. So with the front section facing towards your passenger side, go ahead and slide that on the adapter. Just like so. And go ahead and slide it all the way back until it hits those stoppers. And if you've got it installed correctly, it should run against the tunnel right here with no clearance issues. And we're just gonna go and hand tighten this clamp. Not too tight because we're gonna still need to make some adjustments afterwards. So here's our Tomei rear section. Don't forget to put your clamp on. We're gonna go and slide it in one motion here. We're gonna slide it on and we're gonna go ahead and hook it on to our exhaust bracket on our exhaust hanger on the passenger side. So just like so. So now we've got our midsection on. You can kind of see how the exhaust is drooping. Like I said, you don't want to tighten that clamp up there because we've got to make some adjustments here. So all we're going to do is we're just going to push the exhaust up just like that, and it's going to go and twist and tuck in that tunnel. And with some He-Man strength, we did have to twist the pipe to get it aligned, but if you notice now, our spring clips are lined up exactly where they should be. So now that we've got our spring clips lined up, we're going to go and tighten down the clamps. And we want to make sure not to over tighten these so we don't damage these slips. Now with our midsection and rear section installed, guess what? Finally time to put in that titanium burnt rear muffler. So just as expected, we did get some fingerprints on the exhaust system. So before we start this system up, we're gonna go ahead and spray it down with some brake cleaner to get those marks off. So in your kit, Tomei's included this rubber band here and the muffler hanger. This rubber band is gonna go inside this hanger here to protect the muffler from being scratched. Tomei has as well supplied us with this bolt and nut here to tie this hanger together, as well as some anti-seize. And here we are, the final step. It's our muffler section. Again, don't forget to put your band on. Go and just slip it on that rear section. And with our muffler loosely installed with our exhaust hanger, you're going to go ahead and slide the exhaust hanger on the passenger side. And we are tightening our final compression clamp here, and we want to face it straight up so that we have our springs perfectly aligned with our rear section. And our last nut is our exhaust hanger here. Now that our muffler section is on, I'm going to go back through the car, make sure all our bolts are tight on our compression clamps, and more importantly, going to install the springs, and we're going to be wrapped up. To let you guys know, it is 1 a.m. and we've got one last thing, the springs. So just go and put it in the slot here. And I've got my pick tool here, and I'm going to pull it, get it in the hook there, give it some tension, and release. Just like that. And before we start it up, we did get a ton of fingerprints on it. So we're just going to wipe it down with some brake cleaner, get those fingerprints off so we don't stain it. Let's fire up.
My life be like, ooh, yeah, ooh. My life be like, ooh, yeah, ooh. Yeah, ooh. My life be like, yeah, ooh. My life be like times like these that make me say, yeah, Lord, if you see me, please come my way. Like leaving breadcrumbs all when I stray. Yeah, well, I'm sacrificing the price you pay. Like living like a fingertip. Sometimes I fall, I slip. Yeah, heart felt inside me.
like that. Switch it